Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel Android and PC. Today I'm here to show you how to add WhatsApp contacts in WhatsApp, and let's start. First of all, you guys have to open a WhatsApp application in your mobile, and then by default you are directed to chat section, and after opening the application you have to tap on this new message icon, and then click on this new contacts icon, and type the name and number of that person which you want to enter, and then click on this tick icon. After saving the number, you your WhatsApp application automatically refreshed. If it not, then click on this and tap on the refresh icon. Then it takes some time to add your number in WhatsApp. After it refreshed, you can see the number which you already entered. This is the first way to add contacts in WhatsApp. Other way is just tap on the call section, and tap on the phone plus icon, this icon, and tap on the add contacts, and after this you have to add type the name and number and click on tick icon. This is the same procedure which we already done before, and after adding the number you have to refresh. Contacts will be refreshed soon, and you can make call, message, and different send different type of items, files to those person which you want to send. And thanks for watching.